Okay, now in this Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, in this lecture we are talking about the SQL update statement. In the last lectures we have been discussed SQL select, insert and order by etc. command. Now here if you want to update a column with some values, so you can do it by using the update command. There is a difference between the insert and update. With the insert we insert a new row, but with the update we can change the values of the already inserted row. Okay, so here is the syntax. You can see the reserved word update, then a table name, and then set column 1 with the value 1, column 2 with the value 2, and so on. So if how many columns you want to change, you can do it. Where condition, so this is how you can use the insert command, right? Sorry, update command. Okay. Now look at here. Be careful when updating records in a table. Notice the where clause in the update statement. The where clause specifies which record that should be updated. If you omit the where clause, all records in the table will be updated. So it is needed that you must know that which row you want to update. यानी आप कौन से रो को अपडेट करना चाहते हैं. So in this case you must have a where condition, right? Suppose you may want to change the value, the contact name or the address of a person for the customer ID 1. So in a condition you will give where as well. Okay, now here let's have a look over it, right? So update table. Now here the following SQL statement update the first customer whose ID is 1 with the new contact person. Look at this, and with the new city. Look at this. Here suppose update the table name customer and set contact name to Alfred, and its city is now changed, it's Frankfurt, and where customer ID is 1, you will definitely mention what is the customer ID, right? So this is how you can use the update command. Okay, now another command is, let's see, that is SQL delete statement. So as the name shows that SQL delete statement is used to delete a record from a table. Here is a delete from table name where condition. Here again you will use the where clause to delete a specific row. So here be careful when deleting records in a table. Notice the where clause in the delete statement. The where clause specifies which record should be deleted. If you omit the where clause, all the records of the table in the table would be deleted. So you must give a condition which record you want to delete. Okay, so let's have an example. Suppose this is a table with some data and you want to delete, right? Here look at it, example. So the following SQL statement deletes customer Alfreds from the customer table. Look at delete, then from, then the table where customer name is this one. Now this row will be deleted. Okay, now you can do it by this. Now another SQL command is select top SQL top limit row num class. Now here look at this command. The SQL select top class. The select top class is used to specify the number of records to return. The select top class is useful on large table with thousands of records. Returning a large number of records can impact the performance. Not all database systems support the select task command. Top command MySQL support the limit class to select. Here you have a syntax. Locate it here. Select top number and then percent column name from table where condition. This is the MS Access syntax. Here is the MySQL syntax. Now MySQL you can do it. Select column name or names from the table where, then you will have a limit. If in a table you are having more entries and you do not want to display whole, so you can use the limit. Okay, and number is any limit you want to display. Here is the Oracle sentence. Select column names from table where row num is less than or equal to number. Okay, now row num is just like the limit. Okay, now here let us see the demo. Now select top 3 star from customer. So the following SQL statement shows the equivalent example using the limit class. In MySQL you will write it like this. Select star from customers, and here the limit is 3. The following SQL shows the equivalent number using a row num, and in Oracle you will like this. Select star from the customer where row num is less than or equal to 3. Mean you are displaying the 3 records. Select SQL top percent example is here. Now select top 50% star from the customer. So select the first 50% of the records from the customer table. So you will have 50% of the table. If the row has 100 records, you will be shown 50 records, right? If it is having 1000, so you will have 500 as well. Add a where class. Okay, SQL statement select the first 3 records from the customer table, right? Top 3. So it will show you top 3. Where country is Germany. Now upon this condition, you will have the first 3 records in which country is Germany, they would be displayed. Okay, and in MySQL this will be like this. Select star from where limit is 3 and the country is Germany. We will do a practice on it in a while. Here is the approach for the Oracle. In Oracle, where country is Germany and row num is less than or equal to 3. So this is how you can use the select top command. Okay,